Today I'm going to be doing my Mama Wheelcells makeup.
Let's start with primer.
I'm going to start with primer. I'm going to put it on her face. Put it on her face. Put it up here, over there, over here. So I'm going to open it, and I'm only going to put it a little bit, not that much. Put some right here. Now I'm about to put on foundation. These two. Down. So I'm gonna be using eyeshadow. Not up there. Put it black. And when you put the gold, you see where I put it right here. I put it in the crease. And if you want to put something at the top, you can.
But blend it.
But you need always blend it. For you move on the next thing, you need to blend it. Trace eyebrows. Like you trace the ABCs, that's what I'm gonna be doing.
They gotta see.
The next side. Stuff here. This side looks like soft. No. This is the brush where you do the cheeks. Excuse him.
Here.
See that pink? I'm gonna put it on her lips. This is our last one, y'all.
You gotta do my highlight.
And then I'm gonna do her highlight.
Put a little bit more over there. Turn it around. Turn the brush on the other side.
I'm gonna spray that all on my mom's face.
Spray it. I think she did an amazing job. Like, very good. Come here. Thank you, Stinky Butt. Thank you, Stink.
If y'all can remember the wheel that when I did first. Bye.